discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Can I see the back? Can I see the back real quick? I do a lot of YouTube videos. What's going on, man?
I already know, man.
Okay.
Watch that shit.
Very nice. I was thinking aeroports. That's pretty cool. All right. Whose is this? His bill. Okay.
Yeah. That's how I'm gonna beat your ass right now.
Yeah. Wow. Who built the box? Who built this? The owner built it? All right. Nice.
Yeah, I should treat like this.
Hey. This looks really good. I like it. Nice job.
That guy built it. Where's that guy at?
Okay.
Where's that guy at?
Are these the 3.5s or 4.5s?
Three.
Threes. The threes. Okay.
I think the 45 is the one with the foliage bag.
Yes.
The 35 is the one with the three.
Yes. And your amplifiers are over here?
Yep.
Okay. Are these the 12Ks or 20?
17.
Oh, okay.
17.
Oh, okay. Crescendos. Got it. Wow.
Oculus for the doors.
Yep. What are the amps wired to on the subs?
25.
0.5? Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me take a picture.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake Avala. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a 6 15-inch subs, an insane bass demo we're going to be getting in this system today. Be sure to comment, let them know what you think about a system, and give them a like. This was at the Slamology show 2022 near Indianapolis area, so really crazy bass experience. Got some crazy subflex, and I really like the actual box layout with subs up, port back. Don't really see a lot of square rectangle-ish ports with this much subwoofer cone area, but it got the job done for this enclosure in this SUV with a powerful amount of actual amplifier power on tap for these subs. Looked like there were 3 subs per amplifier. Probably I'm going to assume they're at 0.7 per amp, or it could be 1.2 or 3. I didn't really find out a lot of specs or information about this system. It was more of a demo than it was an info walk around. And if you look, you can see there's 3015 and 3515 subwoofers. This is what the motor looks like up the sub from DefBonce. And if you want to know the specs, looks like they're rated, I think it's 2400 watts RMS for these subs. And if they are a little bit more beefy, they can handle more than that. So 34,000 watts on tap on these 6 15-inch subs. We're getting a demo now. Definitely tearing up his SUV. Welcome to my channel, Jake Aval. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day on my channel, and enjoy.
Forgive me, I
Yeah, I appreciate the demo, dude.